the bid process works. And the next step, once these bids are awarded to the high bidders, will be a 30-day exclusivity to complete the due diligence process. This first 7 days or so of indicative offers is based on the data provided on the spreadsheet and any easily, readily available information you can gather online as part of your research. It's not ordering title reports and spending money on BPOs. I did provide updated credit reports, so that's good. And you've got that information going into the indicative offer. But the 30 days after being awarded exclusivity is really where you're going to spend the money and the time digging in deep, checking the public records, checking bankruptcy if it's available, and of course, ordering BPOs and title if that's part of your process as well. And I would recommend it. And I like the acronym VOTT, VOT, Value, Occupancy, Title, and Taxes. Those are a really great checklists for your due diligence. Of course, there's some more to that, like confirming that the loans are secured by making sure that the borrower on the spreadsheet matches the property owner in public records. But after you know that it's a secured lien, value of the property, occupancy of the property, title to make sure it is indeed in second or first position, or there's 1/3 lien on this list, and then taxes, especially with first position loans that the borrower is paying their property taxes. With second liens, we sometimes take it for granted because most first liens are escrowing taxes and insurance. And when we get a credit report showing a current senior lien, as junior lien holders or junior lien investors, we like to see current seniors because most likely the taxes are current as well. But that being said, the next step here is that 30-day process to complete the total due diligence. You have exclusivity. You've already got past the competitive point of a portfolio at that point, and you're just moving forward with your complete research. So a little refresher on the loan sale process for you guys.